Good morning. Today I'm going to just take you on a little bit of a farm tour, show you what I do for chores, show you what the wife does for chores the majority of the time when I'm working, and yeah, we'll take it from there. But first I need to drink my morning tea. I don't drink coffee anymore. First things first. Take and roll these turkey eggs. They'll have to be rolled. There we go. Now the humidity is low, so I'm gonna put some water, some hot water in there. Bring the humidity back up. Let's make this pig a bottle. This is the milk replacer for the pig. 2, 3. 7, 8. Now I need to fill this up once and then fill it back up to 75 mil. I don't know how many that is right now, so I use hot water. Of course I spilled some. Don't mind the mess. There we go. Alright, let's go feed little pig. Gotta come back in and feed and water these guys. The quail. Let the dogs out. Hey dogs. What are you doing, Marley? Millie? Hi, Mill. Alright, settle down. Let's feed this little pig. Little pig, little pig. Let me in. Hi, buddy. Are you hungry? Here you go. It looks like you spilled your oats. The cow's mooing. Daisy's awake. She doesn't get fed till 9 though, so I'll have to come back out and do that. Slow down, little pig. I need to build this guy a trough or something because he spills his food everywhere. It's getting too big for this little enclosure. I need to start getting his other enclosure ready. There, sucked her dry. Alright. There you go, little pig. Watch out. Where's your bowl? There it is. He's just gonna knock it over again anyways. Look out, buddy. Oh, you thick bugger. There you go. Don't push more out. There, he's just gonna knock that over. Oh, he's eating some. Good boy, little pig. Good boy, little pig. He likes butt scratches. Good butt scratches, yeah. Good boy. Good boy, little pig. Alright. Let's go finish my tea. Right, Millie? Let's go finish my tea. Looks like the rabbits are hungry. Hey, Goliath. This is our Flemish giant. We got him maybe a week ago. This cage is big enough for him, but I'm gonna build him a bigger enclosure. Put it out on the grass for him. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Got lots of water. Let's get you some food though, hey? You want some food? Just rabbit pellets for now. There you go, big guy. There you go. You eat twice as much as the other rabbits do, don't you? You're a big guy. So that's Goliath. My wife and I named him. And then there's Peter, the black one, and Cottontail, the other one. So those are going to be breeders here once they get a little older. Millie, out. Out. But they're getting a little low on food. They still got lots of water and they still have oats, so I'm just gonna throw a little bit more food in there for them and call it good. The quail are still good on food. Got lots of food in there. So do they. But these guys also need water. Oh, there's a couple eggs in there too. But I'll grab them later. What about these guys? How's your water doing, guys? Well, you got lots in there. But I'll fill this one up here. It's time to scoop some poop here eventually too. Hey, Goliath. Man, that rabbit eats a lot. Switch that. Buddy. As I said, that's still just a temporary cage for him. I could put him in that one, but I'm gonna build him something bigger. Give the baby quail some water. There you go. Watch out, guys. There you go. There's your water. Now let's get them some food. There we go. They're full of food, water, food, little chicks. Hi, little Joe. What are you doing? Are you eating? No? Are you eating a muffin? No? What are you, camera shy or something? No? Give Dad a hug. Good morning. Good boy. Yum yums. You want a muffin too? Say good morning. Alright, Dad's gonna finish his tea and then eventually go out and feed that cow, right? Give me a thumbs up. Good boy. Hi, beauty girl. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. What's this? Hi. Yeah. My redhead girl. Oh. Alright, I forgot to film this morning, but we have to also feed the cattle, well, the calves. That's Daisy, and that's Dolly. Dolly's our new one, so I don't know how well this is gonna go. Millie, get! Get! Here, Dolly. I'm gonna have to set this camera down and see how this goes. Here, pretty girl. Are you hungry? Yeah. Figured this was gonna be a hassle. You're gonna have to catch her first. Yeah, pretty girl. Pretty girl. There you go. I'm gonna have to rope her. There, I got her. I had to rope her, but as soon as I stuck the bottle in her mouth, she knew exactly what was going on. Here, hold that. Here you go. She's having a hard time getting it because there's no airflow. But there. Now there's airflow. Oh, I'm spilling it because I opened the top cap so that it could have some airflow, but there. Once we get a couple feedings into her, she'll come running when she sees the bottle. Just like she does. She loves it. So I had to rope her and then I had to jump on her back like this and hold her head up and get the nipple in her mouth.
Just give you this.
She's gonna butt you.
I know. I'm used to it. I've been butt many times.
Well, you are gonna have to get away from her because she's gonna knock her right out of your hands. Good girl. Oh, she's so soft.
I know. Oh.
The kids that we bought her off of, they were 4-H'ers, so they know how to take care of a calf. They know how to show a calf. So they brushed her, they washed her. She's a beautiful looking calf, but that's because they know how to show a calf. But actually, I'm sure even if they didn't brush her or anything, she'd still be a beautiful calf. She's in really good shape. She's only 2 weeks old. Black Angus. She's tiny, but I think she's gonna do well. She's got good color in her eyes. Her belly button seems to be
drying up and it's looking really good. So yeah, she's liking this. Here's the rope. I had to rope her because she was running. She was not coming to me. Good girl. So yeah, make sure you pet her lots because the mother will be cleaning her as she's eating. Good girl, Dolly. Daisy and Dolly. My mother-in-law named them both. She picked good names. Good girl. Good girl, Dolly. Wow, I can't believe how beautiful this calf is. I hope you can see her in the camera. Oh, Daisy's a good-looking calf too, but I still think she's a free martin, meaning she probably won't breed, but we'll leave it to God and see if she does. Next year we'll put a bull in with both of them. Hold on, don't get too much air. There you go. There you go, that's it. There you go, that's it. It's all gone. I know you want more. I know you want more. Look, now she's my friend. Hi, pretty girl. I know. There you go. She's so beautiful. Now I have to do the chickens and collect eggs, and that's about it for the farm chores. I hope I'm not cutting my head off. I bet you can't even see me. There we go. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. You're nice and full now. Oh, I didn't wear my cow cubbies. Now there's slobber all over me. Yeah, that's all right. That comes with farming.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Daisy. Hey, pretty girl. But she's happy to have that extra liter, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't give her scours, but I don't think it will because she's been hungry. Every time we feed her, she's still been hungry, so. That's why you read the directions on the bag, guys. Here, babe. Hold this. I gotta pick up my rope. I still need to learn how to rope properly. I just grabbed it and just threw it. I managed to get it around her neck. So I got lucky. Oh, don't do that. You're not still hungry, are you? Anyways, there. Now let's give them a run. Come on. Come on. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. She's like, yeah, no, I'm full. I just had an extra liter. Hey, pretty girl. Belly button feeling good. Come on. Come on.
She wants to run too.
Yeah, that's good.
I want to play too.
No. Still don't trust me. She will though, in time she'll trust us. She's so pretty. She's such a nice calf. Let's see, I'll try one more time.
No.
No. Belly's full though, I can hear it sloshing.
Yeah, I could too.
Alright, so let's go collect some eggs, and I think that'll be it for farm chores tonight. The pig was fed already, and yeah, alright. Good night, girls. I gotta put them in. Here. Come on, pretty girl. Come on.
They got water?
Huh?
Water?
Yeah, they got water. I gotta try and get her in there.
Oh, I can't really put one in without the other.
Yeah. Good girl. Get going.
Come on. In.
Good girl. Come on. Daisy, get
Come
moving.
on, Daisy.
Get moving, Daisy.
She's like, I don't want to go.
She knows what time it is, that's why. Good girls.
Good girls.
Good girls. Alright, let's close this up. Back up here. Yes, I know. I know, it's night time.
We got wolves and coyotes and stuff.
Yeah.
Last
Gotta
thing
keep
we
them
need.
in at night or else we'll lose them. Alright, now we go do the chickens and stuff. Oh, he's a big Billy. They called him Bluebeard. It's my cousin's goat. Alright, girlies. True. Hey, chickies. Don't mind the chicken coop. It needs a cleaning real bad. They still got food. They still got water. Yeah, they still got water. Alright. Eggs. Nice. We got one here. I don't know how well you can see this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, don't break them. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. A dozen. And I don't think I missed any on the floor. Double check, make sure I didn't miss any. Nope, so anywhere from 8 to 15 eggs a day is common. I don't think we've gotten 15 eggs in a long time though. I'll have to fill up their water tomorrow. Hook that back up. Hook that down there. There we go. Alright, you want me to hop over and turn the fence off?
Yeah.
Watch out, Marley. Where's Millie? Turn the fence off because my wife's scared to hop over it while it's on. Go ahead, babe.
Short.
It won't hurt you. You got rubber boots on. And turn it back on. There we go. Oh, hi. Hi, Millie.
He didn't get his nightly pets from me.
Oh, well. Alright, so yeah, that's the farm chores. Oh, I have to get...
We're not done yet.
Girls, get out of here. Alright, so that's 12 chicken eggs. Look, he's just eating it off the ground because he flips his bowl every time. I need to cut one of these guys into here so that he can... Marley just wants, Millie wants to be in here.
She wants to eat.
Stay, get out. Alright, I'm just gonna collect the eggs and set them up top for now because I know Shane's gonna eat them eventually. Whatever I don't sell, Shane.
He's been eating them?
Shane eats them, yeah. He eats like a dozen raw ones every morning.
Raw?
Yeah.
Interesting.
There's no eggs in there. That's odd.
see on the camera. That was close.
She was trying to peck at an egg there.
I don't know why. They have food.
Yeah, sometimes you just get egg eaters.
Nope, I got a scapie.
Yeah, that's alright.
I have my hands full or I'd grab them. Hurry.
There was one here that felt like it cracked, but... Come here, get back in there. I did feed them. I fed them this morning, but
No, it's like
I'll have to check and see how much food they got.
I would top them up.
I'll feed them again in the morning.
Alright. Do they got water though, right?
Oh yeah, they have lots of water.
Okay.
Oh look. There's one in here that's been laying a brown egg.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's not very common.
I like the one that lays the blue ones.
Every
too.
once in a while I'll get a blue egg,
Yeah.
but that's called a celadon egg. But
At least you.
I don't often get very many blue eggs. There's more. You standing on any? No. But yeah, if you leave them in there too long, they will eat them. How many did we get today? We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. 19 because we didn't get any in this one here. Usually we'll get 3 in here and that brings us to 22 or so.
Yeah. Yeah, that's weird.
But yeah.
Good girl, Marley. You stay. No, stay. Good girl.
Good girl, you stay. Good girl, you stay.
Puppy.
That's what she's waiting for.
An egg.
She wants some eggs, yeah. Here you go, pretty girl. Gentle, nice. Good girl. She loves them.
Oh, Bella's coming too.
Good girl.
I don't think she eats them, does she?
I don't know. He's moving his dish around. He's got water though. Here, Bella. No, Mar.
Does Marley eat them too?
Millie eats them. Here, pretty girl. Millie, you leave it. Oh, I mean, Marley, you leave it. Here, Millie. You get it. Get it, Mill. Get it, Mill. Get it, Millie. Here, Millie. Marley.
Come.
You're a savage. Here, Millie.
Here, Marley.
Here, Mill. Here, Mill.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just had to break it open for her because she's not a real dog.
Marley's like, I'll take that.
Hi, pretty girl. Good girl. Alright, yeah, we're done in here. Lock that up. Oh, I'll water the garden another day. That's another chore that needs to be done.
I did it this morning, right?
No, I didn't water it this morning. I had too much stuff to do. But, so yeah, that's the chores around the farm. Yeah, they saw the pig.
Well,
He's getting big.
They missed.
You got grass on your face, mister. Hey, big guy. Hey, butt scratches. Oh, butt scratches. Oh. All right. So yeah, again, that's the chores for the farm. Whenever I'm at work, my wife has to do all these chores, so
Oh, Marley.
she appreciates it when I'm home, but that's not always the case. So don't forget to check out our other channel. It's called Called to Be Fearless. It's our Christian channel, and we're slowly getting more content put out on that channel there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That helps our content get out a little bit further. And thanks for watching. God bless, and stay safe out there. Good girl.